Hi, I'm JJ Curtis with Curtis & Sons Real Estate. Today, Curtis & Sons is proud to showcase this fine 496-acre parcel just 1 mile west of Stotesbury, Missouri. This farm offers 220 tillable acres with the balance of the property in improved pasture, native trees, and pecan groves. The property also boasts 1.6 miles of creek frontage and several ponds. If you're interested in this farm or others, give me a call or see our website at www.curtisandsonsrealty.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the logo in the lower left corner, and like us on Facebook as well. If you are considering selling, please talk to us first. No one has sold more real estate in Vernon County than Curtis & Sons, giving you more and charging you less since 1948.